In this video, I would like to show you what options there are to use the Stream Deck to operate the grandMA3 console. All functions works completely without a macro or plugin and can therefore be used directly in every show file. The corresponding syntax can be found at the end of this video. In the Sheets area, you will find, as the name suggests, the sheet windows. I can tell from the symbol in the upper left corner that these are actions that are called up in the display. All sheets can be opened here simply by pressing a button. This function is also extremely efficient. All functions on the Stream Deck work without macros or plugins, so nothing has to be loaded into the current show. However, it is important that an output for the display was previously defined in the display settings area. The complete configuration can be purchased at feeds.de. Now please click on the lower right symbol to subscribe this channel. And when you click the bell, you always know when there are new grandMA3 themed videos. In the upper right corner, you can come straight to another video that might interest you.